In today's fast-paced tech landscape, smartphone design has become more than just a matter of aesthetics. It's about how we interact with our digital lives every single day. The look, feel, and functionality of a smartphone all start with its design. From the shape and screen size to the materials used and the user interface layout, design is the bridge between cutting-edge technology and the way we experience it. And as we edge closer to 2025, this bridge is getting more innovative than ever. The role of design in everyday use, think about it. You pick up your smartphone dozens, if not hundreds, of times a day. Whether you're texting, scrolling through social media, watching videos, or using GPS, the design of your phone affects how smoothly and comfortably you can do these tasks. A thoughtfully designed phone can reduce hand strain, enhance usability, and even reflect your personality. On the flip side, a clunky or outdated design can feel frustrating and out of touch with modern expectations. This is why companies are investing more and more into developing innovative, user-focused designs. In an era where most phones have similar processors, cameras, and software capabilities, design is one of the last frontiers where brands can truly differentiate themselves. The saturated market challenge, but let's be real, it's not easy. The smartphone market is jam-packed. Every major player, Apple, Samsung, Xiaomi, Oppo, Google, is battling for attention. The challenge for designers is finding a balance between creating something fresh and maintaining functionality. Bold design changes can catch the eye, but if they compromise usability, consumers won't bite. Many of us have noticed how smartphones have started to look very similar. The edge-to-edge screens, minimal bezels, camera bumps, and even the placement of buttons, everything starts to blend together. That's why design innovation is so important now. Consumers want something that not only works well but also stands out in a sea of black rectangles. What consumers are looking for in 2025? In 2025, consumers are demanding more than ever before. They want large screens without bulky form factors. They want lightweight devices with longer battery life. They want personalization, durability, and elegance, all wrapped into one. And one thing is clear: foldable and modular designs are quickly gaining momentum. We're talking about phones that fold into your pocket, stretch into tablets, or snap into new forms depending on your task. Users are no longer satisfied with static, rigid devices. They want flexibility, literally and metaphorically. Emerging design trends for 2025. Let's explore some of the hottest trends shaping the design direction of smartphones in 2025. 1. Foldable and flexible displays. What was once a futuristic dream is now becoming reality. Foldable phones have already entered the mainstream thanks to devices like the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold series and the Huawei Mate X. But in 2025, the designs are sleeker, the folds are less visible, and the hinges are nearly invisible. New materials such as ultra-thin glass and flexible OLED panels are allowing manufacturers to create foldable devices that are as durable as they are stunning. These phones offer users the best of both worlds, compactness and expanded screen space. Expect to see more tri-fold and rollable designs entering the market. 2. Color-shifting materials. Imagine your phone subtly changing colors depending on the lighting, your mood, or even your outfit. With new advances in nano-coatings and electrochromic glass, phones in 2025 are embracing dynamic color palettes that shift in real time. This adds a whole new layer of personalization to the device. No more choosing just black, silver, or blue. 3. Under-display everything. Bezels and notches? They're becoming relics of the past. In 2025, we're seeing the rise of under-display cameras, sensors, fingerprint readers, and even haptics. This means more uninterrupted screen space and an overall cleaner design aesthetic. No cutouts, no punch holes, just seamless glass. 4. Eco-conscious materials. Sustainability is no longer a niche concern, it's a global priority. Smartphone brands are under increasing pressure to minimize their environmental impact. In 2025, more phones are being made from recycled metals, plant-based plastics, and biodegradable packaging. Even modular phone concepts are making a comeback, allowing users to replace only the broken part instead of tossing out the whole device. 5. AI-centric interfaces. The hardware might look gorgeous, but software is what brings it to life. With AI-driven design elements like adaptive UI, gesture recognition, and real-time voice control, the smartphones of 2025 are learning how to interact with you. Your phone's interface may look different from someone else's, because it's customized to how you use it. The design that's turning heads in 2025. Meet the Vyrian Arc Fold. So, what's the phone everyone's talking about in 2025? Enter the Vyrian Arc Fold, a futuristic flagship that's redefining what a smartphone can be. This device is an engineering marvel. When folded, it's the size of a traditional 6.5-inch smartphone with a slim, pocket-friendly profile. But when unfolded, it transforms into a stunning 8.2-inch display with barely their bezels and zero visible crease. That's thanks to Vyrian's proprietary Arc Glass technology, which uses nano-layered folding mechanics that bend light along the fold to hide any seam. But what really makes the Arc Fold stand out is its color-adaptive chassis. Using smart electrochromic film, the phone shifts color throughout the day, from sleek graphite in daylight to an iridescent violet in low-light conditions. The camera system is fully embedded under the display. No bumps, no notches, just a seamless slab of glass. And the phone features AI-enhanced interaction, meaning the UI learns which apps you use most, when you use them, and how to prioritize tasks for performance and battery life. Other key features of the Vyrian Arc Fold: ultra-thin titanium alloy frame for durability, reverse wireless charging, built-in holographic projector for presentations and entertainment, Eco-Core battery made from recyclable components with 48-hour power endurance. It's not just a phone, it's a conversation starter, a fashion statement, and a productivity powerhouse all in one. Design versus functionality. The eternal battle. As with any innovation, the real test is whether a design improves usability. Foldables are amazing, but they still have to prove their durability over time. Color-shifting materials are cool, but will they hold up under daily wear and tear? These are the questions that manufacturers are still working to answer. There's always a risk that some trends will become gimmicks, just like curved edge displays or pop-up selfie cameras. But the best designs, the ones that really stick, are the ones that make our lives easier and more enjoyable. 2025 will likely continue to blur the line between phone and personal assistant, between device and lifestyle tool. The hottest designs won't just be pretty to look at, they'll be indispensable in everyday life. Looking ahead, as we push deeper into the future, the design of smartphones will likely become even more personalized. We may see phones that morph depending on your needs, AI that anticipates not just what you want but why, and materials that are truly sustainable without sacrificing performance. Will we eventually ditch smartphones for wearables or implants? Maybe. But for now, the smartphone is still king, and design is its crown. What do you think the smartphone of the future will look like? Do you love foldables, or are you hoping for something entirely new? Let me know in the comments below. I'm always excited to hear your thoughts on what's coming next. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share your opinions in the comments below, and hit the bell so you never miss a story about the future of technology.